Hello friends, English grammar tutorials number 300. We started with our first lesson. Do you remember? Articles, indefinite articles a and n. Now we have traveled much. We come up to this point. We have to continue this journey. We haven't even come halfway through. And so here we have got today instrumental thematic roles of prepositions by and with. Slight difference also you will find. How, by what means? Instrumental thematic roles will answer this question. How, by what means? How did you do this? By what means did you do this? So here you have got examples and you can see. They exchange gifts by post. Instrument is post. He sent means how. The answer to question how. He sent his application by a messenger. How? How did you make this? By hand. How? He did all the work by a machine. How did you do? They collected news by overhearing. Not good manners, not good. By weeping, she managed to get the prize. Don't play with fire. See, now comes with. So far it was by. So then, how answer will be by? By what means? By what means? With what? The answer will be with. Don't play with fire. What are you doing with your pen? Not by your pen. Travel at night with a friend. I always move about with a stick. They are plowing with a spade. The old man cut his fingers with a knife. Not deliberately, it so happened. It's an old man. Children play with toys. She opened the door with a key. They were cleaning the floor with a brush. Now, sometimes a question can naturally come up. Where will you use with? Where will you use by? I already told you, if the question is how, then by. If the question is by what means, with what, then the preposition is with. Now there is one more way to find out how, whether you have done, whether you have used the correct preposition, right preposition in the right place. Try substitute. Try to substitute. Try, let's see. They exchange gifts with the post. Not possible. He sent his application with a messenger. Not possible. Because it is how. How did, not with what? How did you make this? By hand. Not with hand. He did all the work by a machine, not with a machine. They collected, because the question is how. They collected news by overhearing, not with overhearing. By weeping, she managed to get the prize. With weeping, you cannot say. Don't play by fire, not possible. What are you doing with your pen? By your pen, not possible. Travel at night with a friend, by a friend, no? I always move about with a stick, by a stick, no? They are plowing with a spade, by a spade, no? The old man cut his fingers with a knife, by a knife, no? Children play with toys, by toys, no? They open the door with a key, by a key, no? They were cleaning the floor with a brush, by a brush. No. So by what means, that's the question. So with. With what did you do? With this. How did you do? By. That's the question. Things clear, I think. Alright, no problem, no doubts regarding this. So instrumental roles of prepositions. With and by. And the difference also is. One method to find out whether you have done correct or whether you have used the right preposition in the right place is to substitute. Sometimes you may find a slight difference. Then you see the better one. Understand? Sometimes you may think, by also can. For example, in this case you can see, how did you make this? with hand, by hand, which is better. See, that is the way, one way. Then there is another way, and that is your language sense. That is by experience, by doing exercises, by reading, you will get a language sense. Then that will tell you which is the correct preposition. Clear? Bye. Have a nice day. We will meet again with the 301 sometime in the near future. Till then, bye. Have a nice time. Enjoy your life.